the
Guys,
most
look how good my
obedient
cat
cat.
is. It's just a little bit of bone, but
Wait for
still
it.
he's here. Pia. Let's see how good he is. Here. Guys, this cat is so good. This cat doesn't eat out of my plate. He waits until I give it to him. Like how I did just now. He doesn't take food out the plate. He doesn't do that. I'm so proud of him. But guess what? It's not all the time he does that. Not all the time. So don't think that he didn't want it. Because as you see, he just grabbed it and went. So it is tasty, but he's disciplined. Unlike Sarah, Sarah will eat it. Right, Sarah? And Mama Kitty, she will eat it too. Pia, come here. Come here. 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 Oops. Here. Guys, you see that? This is a disciplined cat. Very disciplined. Are you so disciplined? Huh? Are you so disciplined? Oh my. Gonna give him the remaining of it, guys. Soon come. Pia, you're so disciplined. Hmm? You're very disciplined. Say hello to the vlog. Sarah. Say hello to the vlog. Say hello. Subscribe and we see you next time. Say peace. Say peace. Say peace. Mer. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Peace. We out.